welcome everybody. Paul here at Music Villa in Bozeman, Montana, and I'm with Wayne Johnson, representing Taylor Guitars today. And man, we just had a great road show here last night, and thank you for coming.
It was fun.
We have a cool guitar here, and man, it sounds great. So when you do a road show, they have a special edition guitar.
That's right.
That is only available, to a road show. So because I hadn't heard of this one before, it's an E14, and I'm like, what the heck is an E14? Ebony. That's what it is.
That's what it is, man.
Yes.
Cameroon. Man.
African Ebony.
Yep.
Beautiful, beautiful guitar.
Back and sides.
You don't see too many guitars with full ebony backs, okay? You always see it on the fretboards, And for people that maybe don't know, Taylor has just, Bob Taylor's been going to Africa now for quite a few years.
Yeah.
Basically changed the way ebony is forested.
Absolutely.
Saved the ebony forest,
He's
really.
changed the world with this ebony project.
It's pretty amazing. Okay, so ebony, as a back and side, all I think of is, it's a very dense wood. It's a very hard wood.
Right.
And this is a Sitka top, beautiful inlay, but it's a Grand Auditorium body shape. That's what the 14 is. So E Ebony 14.
Right.
And when you strum it, what do you feel like?
Well, I tell
similar to, it's not quite rosewoody, but it's
no, and it's very focused. But I love the fundamentals on this guitar. Just very round, very pointed. It's such a new wood, actually, when you think about the body.
Yeah.
If Bob did not take over this in Cameroon, the Ebony project in general, they make really good fretboards because they're really stiff, and they hold the frets really well.
Right.
And that was the extent of it.
Right.
Just here, there, and here, and on the fret. But to have an entire guitar out of it is relatively new.
Yeah.
And people go, ebony?
Right.
Back and sides?
Yeah.
But it's a really unique sound, really cool.
Tell us real quick, tell me about the pick you're using. I'm always curious about what...
Oh, yeah? Oh,
yeah.
Interesting.
I am interested.
Well, it's actually made in Utah, and it's called Red Bear Trading Company.
Oh, okay. I've heard of it. The Red Bear,
I really like this pick. It's thick, but what they do is they customize the speed bevels on it.
Gotcha.
So if you have a really thick pick, it's going to be sloppy and slow.
Yeah.
But if you do the bevels on it right, and I play at a different kind of angle. Most right-hand players play like this. So I actually play as if I was left-handed. So they put a left-handed speed bevel on all three of these corners.
Interesting.
It's really it's a fat sound, but it's still speedy if you need to be fast.
Yeah, because that's a thick pick.
It is.
Cool.
Yeah.
Well, great. Anyway, so ebony guitar. I don't know if they'll do another run of these or what the future is of.
Yeah.
Basically, obviously they're using what they can. I doubt
they use every bit of the wood. Yeah.
Every bit of it is Cameroon. Is where it comes from. It's beautiful wood. It sounds great, and it's very limited. We have one. I think we have just one of these, and I don't know how long this model will be out. If they'll just continue to do it.
A good question. They're always changing things.
They are. So we're a little unknown on this one, but it's an E14 is what they call this one, and it is available at Music Villa. And Wayne, thanks again for doing this, and we'll get to the end of this and we'll let people get a chance to hear it a little bit more.
Excellent. Yeah, let's do it.
Yeah.
Cool song.
Appreciate it. Yeah. Thanks for watching, everybody.